Welcome to Hamson's educational YouTube channel. Today I will going to discuss about the non-cooperation movement of India. Class 10 video. The meaning of non-cooperation movement was not to cooperate the British by Indians. Non-cooperation movement was the first political movement started by Gandhi against British administration. And the main causes of this movement are: number one, Rowlatt Act 1919. Rowlatt Act was the black bill which was implemented by British government in 1919. It was implemented by Sidney Rowlatt, which was the Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court. This act was implemented in 1919 by British Chief Justice Sidney Rowlatt during the time of Lord Chelmsford. The main objective of this act was to arrest any Indians by the British government without any trial, or according to the Rowlatt Act, the British government can arrest any Indians and put behind bars for 2 years without any trial. Number 2 reason, Jallianwala Bagh incident 1919. To protest the Rowlatt Act, the Indian people went to Jallianwala Bagh of Punjab. It is situated in the Amritsar. The Indian people went to the Jallianwala Bagh to protest the Rowlatt Act, and some Indians went to Jallianwala Bagh incident to attend the annual Boishakhi fair. But being native people or uneducated people, they were unaware about martial law imposed by Army General of Punjab, and according to this martial law, no public meeting can be held in around Amritsar. And Army General Dayar, along with 150 army, closed the entrance of Jallianwala Bagh and opened fire on the Indians. Jallianwala Bagh is a place where there is around 3 big walls, and entrance and exit is only one. The British Army General Dayar went to the entrance, and along with 150 army, they opened fire on the unarmed Indians. As a result, thousands of Indian people lost life in that place. Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru became furious, and they wanted to start a mass struggle against the British government and to carve out the British administration. Number 3 cause, problems regarding Turkey. Turkey was the Islamic country, and during the First War, British gave promise to the Muslims that after the World War, they will give dominion status to the Turkey. But the promise went in vain. After the First World War, the power and prestige of the headman of Turkey, that is called Khalifa, was greatly reduced. As a result, the Muslim people became furious, and they started the Khilafat Committee. Under the leadership of Ali brothers. Ali brothers means Maulana Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. They implemented the Khilafat Committee under the leadership of Gandhi and started the non-cooperation movement. Next, programs. The main programs of non-cooperation movement were: number 1, boycott of British goods. Thousands of people participated in the non-cooperation movement. and their main program was to boycott the British goods. Number 2 is use of Swadeshi goods, and number 3 spread of national education. By implementing the 3 programs, the Indian people compelled to break down the British rules and regulations in India. As a result of this program, the import of British government, the imports of goods and services of British government reduced to a great extent, and this movement became powerful under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, and all kinds of people participated in this movement. But during the peak point of this movement, there was a mob violence in Sauri Soura village of Gorakhpur district in Uttar Pradesh or United Province. In the Sauri Soura, some peasants were badly beaten by the Indians during the procession, and some peasants of India went to the Sauri Soura and put fire on the British police station, and as a result, 22 policemen died on the spot. So Gandhi became furious and suspended or withdraw or called off the non-cooperation movement, because his motive was non-violence, which is depends on truth and ahimsa. Thus, Gandhiji called off the non-cooperation movement and started for individual Satyagраha. Thank you.